I have just arrived from the U.S., where I undertook a regular medical checkup. Thank God, everything is okay.
Why always the Fantes? In fact, lawyer Maurice Ampaw, or so her name is corner concerning Professor Jane Naana or Yari I rushing to US for treatment now. Already my course were NDC more assay on tinny maybe as we say. I didn't so we will NDC party no more obi bewu and no be serious condition more NDC party more always be an na a Fante for Eddie asemo Eden actually I Penyah block media message say any demo over like a video and my boss subscribe button and click on the face na latest update na be kire wadwen dey ma me e comment section message so oba so oba share video am onu aso enya bi ahwe it's been a couple of video me kire mo say Jane Naana my Ghana vice lady or yale den the I say you might den to a point say ya rush no kra kwa mo no ne a okoje ayarehwe Emma office of the president the press statement in about wanting a fiada no or my point as a yard no and started empo free I see ade you know dem pie a tane chase no ebeton now Maurice Ampaw eden komo bi any nemu a in fact next ma candidate etwetwe aso kakra on se beka ya 2012 na Atamis president Mahama and NDC na Atamis Fantes Atamis ewuye ana 2015 Mahama no president ana Amisata the vice president Amisata we na Misata se Fantes ana 2025 year 2 about Mahama Erne ye no Mahama say appointed Jane Naana no say Fantes the vice as you see no Jane Naana Mahama vice no say Fantes no ono yare ma ye din to the point say rushing ko USA e ko hwe ne yare e na lawyer Maurice Ampaw hwe di no se da bi NDC dey be na wo mu anti da bia say obi ho beka e wa NDC party ma just da bia Fantes for no e dey bia asem sacrifices be no ma ko ye anti da bia ye Fantes for na egbo ma to bia e dey ba asem na e go in fact ensem dey any expose dey lawyer Maurice Ampaw or the bi aba pa ye go tie nimra
every sector in trying this idea no e kwa say numi bi department ni chia na sa numi no so Fantes for muntie central region ya serious because you see your memu na NDC anytime bia o meba power no Atamis ekoya o Fantes ni of central region Atamis be di ade ya man wie ya ma papa na wie tito ya twa papa no kwan so ye ko se no asomdwe park ni yire fi no ahun sam ye kan wie ye efena emisata Fantes the same central region emisata so team no ko ena make say usu bempa ahyenkom say mama Jane bibi oda no wan hwa ni kwa be fi ni fisem aden na party back up mo de Fantes folly de some de benia no atito what the yaka Lawrence the yaka Fantes oh ga Lawrence akaso tam na akọ you see it's becoming a serious issue sacrificing people in the party for a bit more personal gain because I can say is it normal say Fantes and the central region mudia anytime amenye di pe bia na o party mo and I make your founder so ko meanwhile MPP party efi nyame na party a omo ti nyame suma se na papa you know omo two presidents na ti o President Kufuor 86 years they strong Nanado 81 years they strong ba o miamunia ka ba o mia yari kakre bi ba o mia yari kakre yi yanu say ade na okosa no ho abo no yare wa brochiri debi led by papa weya wenya shippers council Jampo, Professor Jampo. I can say no. I don't know about me. Uncle, something about your government hospital or Ghana. Professor Jampo di Beye propaganda. I say, Baumia Yadina Yaran and the fan home, but the anything you can say, Baumia Elqua Buchos and Wari. They could have told Abrakwa. The propaganda, this thing, Ora chairman. And also, government policy, OBBA Niwa, Ono, Oma Baba, and so concerned Wabuchi. Now the reality have done. Mama Jane, Ayari, Flagstaff House, at Tamno de Kwabuchi. So you see the kind of people we have in this current government and the party. They say one thing, if those things, you know, and they become so critical. The way they fought Galamsey, the way they talk about Dumso, the way they handle NPP government, and I done it. I did not done it. To the sense that President Mahama can say, oh, Nanado be Koijano, Nanado be Ko. I can't remember President Mahama. That's all in the look of things, you know. Nanado they were crying, you know. So you be woo, Nanado they be woo, Diano. Nanado be woo. What did I say? Or the Uwokras who shoot Nanado. Bene, I don't be a dum Nanado. Kufopo, and that's what I say. Nanado 81 years, still counting. Now I'm showing Kolanki Tinkiti like Kevin Taylor Moore. 40 years sha omudi nu Nanado half to be deeper pay at them. We share Captain Smart mo, we share Jampo mo, we share Apostolati, Adlamti, Missy Penipo, Wadanda Kokra, or so far Wadanda Kokra. These people can insult the presidency just in the name of politics. And today, the reality is done on us. And then, as we speak, also been part of a shame come say MPP bad the 2028. And I mean some of us know also been part minimum year. Now I have a personal relationship with also been part. And the way who do a year amen, you can't run away from it. It was 2028 no the way NDC na die na any double standard and the way they are handling the things they spoke against, the way more position more guarantee, and the way more position they fought everything, they criticized everything, and they were violent towards the government of the day. They were unfair, they were unreasonable, no? And then they are in government doing worse. So Ghanaians, me pay Ghana for when say when Ghanaians will punish you, they keep quiet. In the NDC, whatever we are doing to the nation in terms of doom so Ghana for be in Kasa, I'm from more than that. 3 months Ghana for they've already decided your fate. The way invading people's privacy, attacking people here and there, to trust them, trust them. Insecurity in all of the country, remove here, remove there, dismiss here, dismiss here. It is the resetting has become an agenda to remove one public officer, to dismiss an employee, and to act with impunity. Ghanaians are ready to punish you in 2028. And don't be surprised that whoever MPP, they remember 2028, no, Ghanaians will end your presidency. And immediately we can say, at the end of the day, you know, what happened is that you can afford the 2 million for 4 years, sir. And you're too short a time. And you know, when you have 4 years to govern, I don't think say you have all the time in this world to govern. 4 years. 1 year, second year, but third year, not to make Ghanaians, you have to come and count to Ghanaians what you have done. And if more research, you know, you are not focusing on the bread and butter issue in terms of how you tackle the economy, the ordinary Ghanaian will feel it in the pocket. How you tackle the economy ebe ma aduane bo aba fam nsuo ene nsuo yenye nsuo nom ene nsuo adane critical commodity utia gutter water ways they can satisfy produce enough water ene nsuo ayedin electricity meters aye supply and the food are very expensive and the transportation and then everything in Ghana is becoming worse and worse and worse and worse. Ghanaians are suffering, and if come 2028 and this will continue, then Magasanobo say 2028 no Ghana for be show my city mu no matter and our city no the way we have started no. Instead of concentrating on more 24-hour economy, jobs dabi. Instead of concentrating on how to fight galamsey and end the galamsey menace no dabi. Instead of concentrating of giving us cheap and constant power dabi. Instead of concentrating on bringing everybody on board, unifying the country and ensuring that Ghana there's unity, no, there's division. Now it's become like yen ya juma ena ya bre ena tu be di nti ti tu ni no yen ye party for ne ye che ama ye party for as if we party for pen to abama mo ti mu da mo nche say 4 years and whatever you people are doing to the people of Ghana in 4 years no se table no dania mama be complaining. Don't come and complain because table they are better whether you like it or not. It will change. 2028, Ghanaians will punish every government. This is Ghana for my government to be 2 terms. We ban now 4 years now, and to start from MPP and this. Ghanaians will start punishing every government. Oba now one for full promise. Obeko Mukwaya na Mukwaba is starting every 4 years, and that is the signal in the spiritual realm. And I think, say, it will do us good. So I pray, say, Mama, Jane, Penyah, very cover. And I think, say, it will do us good. So I pray, say, Mama, Jane, Penyah, very cover. But we don't want any dark crowd. Yempe, so we'll be born pie to take the woman's place. I did my creative Kwemukrano, the vice president who are effective it is. Mami no, you can see say you should get wodum. Mami yare ye petu mi ntino. No ni nam campaign ha mami utubu say mami na no umete. But we want to use him and we have used her. Sorry, we want to use her. We have used her for power and now we are dumping her because we can see say oh yeah vice president mami nye effective. Ye ko bibi ayene no nko. De bia na ejane wo fie. The dressing, the undress, the wardrobe, the packaging, mamino office now be abandoned, and mamino, I say, president and bomb and then ya time no airco dumping wa bruchiri. Na ya be trade juma dey so because obi in the position, obi in the vice, otin muka ye the vice dada, into no. Yampa boni se nyame obo so na sase no o ma we mpare mame no se mame no trans no so bra wa bre no hu ne hu sunsu aso e bi nka ne ma e bi nka ne busua e bi nka Ghana for obi biara o hye mami yare ase no obi biara responsible for the illness and all bomb pass mame be fi mu no sa yare no e no wu no you turn back to sender. Monra NDC for mu, monra party mu, monra baby fiba. Na nyamenje Mama Jane Ninkwa. Or she say or ye innocent soul la wa bone bra akoche na die anya professor ship. Na mami yes so innocent. We will not allow this woman to be sacrificed. Empire or yesu demo. It's answer the numere me de me topic beba no. And you may share issues of issues of CJ, current CJ, the attempts to remove the current.
So this is what Maurice Ampaw had to say concerning the sudden illness of Professor Jane Naana, the vice lady of this very country, Ghana, I are rushing to USA for treatment. I say, oh, children say, dear, but they pound the air cost were NDC ni mu enti no. Obi, home back out party, my yes, you're Fantini. There was someone. Bonnie Ben found the fire party then to the be and Obi home back. Just say, a Fantini. Ask my work, what is your take and what is your view on this? Tell your mommy, comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Background.